If you're a small business owner, startup founder, or freelancer with employees, you've probably heard of Gusto Payroll. It's one of the most popular payroll and HR platforms in the United States, helping businesses manage payroll, taxes, employee benefits, and onboarding, all from one easy to use dashboard. But is it still worth using in 2026? Let's find out. One of Gusto's biggest strengths is its simplicity. The platform is designed to make payroll as easy as possible, even for business owners with little or no accounting experience. Once your employees are set up, running payroll takes just a few minutes. Gusto automatically calculates wages, withholdings, taxes, and deductions, helping businesses stay compliant while reducing manual work. Another major advantage is automated tax filing. Gusto handles federal, state, and local payroll tax calculations, files the required tax forms, and submits payments automatically, saving employers a significant amount of time and reducing the risk of payroll mistakes. This is one of the main reasons so many small businesses choose the platform. Beyond payroll, Gusto also includes several HR features. Businesses can onboard new employees digitally, collect tax forms electronically, manage paid time off, track employee information, and even offer benefits like health insurance and retirement plans on eligible plans. Everything is organized in one central dashboard, making employee management much easier. The user interface is another highlight. Everything is clean, modern, and beginner-friendly. Whether you're paying employees, reviewing reports, or managing benefits, the platform feels intuitive and well-organized. It also integrates with many popular accounting and business tools, including QuickBooks, Xero, FreshBooks, and other productivity platforms. Pricing is competitive for small businesses. Gusto offers multiple plans depending on your needs, with higher tiers adding features like advanced HR tools, time tracking, multi-state payroll, and dedicated support. This flexibility allows businesses to start small and upgrade as they grow. Of course, no payroll platform is perfect. While Gusto is excellent for small and medium-sized businesses in the United States, it isn't designed for companies with large international workforces. Businesses that employ people in multiple countries may need additional payroll solutions or global employment platforms. Some advanced HR features also require higher-priced plans. So, should you use Gusto Payroll in 2026? If your business operates primarily in the US and you're looking for an easy-to-use payroll solution with built-in tax filing, employee onboarding, benefits management, and HR tools, the answer is definitely yes. Gusto continues to be one of the highest-rated payroll platforms for small businesses because it combines simplicity, automation, and reliable payroll processing in one package. Overall, Gusto Payroll remains one of the best payroll solutions available in 2026, especially for startups, freelancers, and growing businesses that want to spend less time on payroll and more time growing their company. Have you used Gusto Payroll? Do you think it's better than QuickBooks Payroll, ADP, or Paychex? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more software reviews and business productivity tips.